Are you alive? Guys! Okay, I'm worried about your baby. He knows. I'm seriously worried right now. Why are you doing this? You don't think this is funny that the ghost in your house? It's okay.
There's no such thing as ghosts.
Okay, how is this happening?
Wait, talk to her more.
What do you want? Me.
What is there?
Look, this isn't real. I'm not touching it. Joel, here.
Cassie, tell me what's happening. Talk to the screen.
I'm not writing this. I'm not reading.
You have to go outside.
They said I can see you come to the window, and they keep talking to me on this document, and I don't know how. Look, everyone's in the room.
Look, you have to go right now. Go now.
I'm losing my face.
Yes, you have to go.
What are you going to do? Why me?
Why, men?
I didn't write that.
Nothing.
You. Guys, this isn't real! Do you know how this is ending everywhere possible? No! I'm waiting for my computer.
Cassie, your computer's off.
Can they transmit signals? Okay, this has got to be a joke because no one else is worried like I am.
No, Cassie, go outside. Go
No,
outside.
you guys are laughing!
The door's locked, so like nothing's gonna happen.
Cell phones! Maybe our cell phones. Someone's writing on my cell phone.
That's writing on your computer.
Cassie, nothing you won't like.
Cassie, just go see if the blue car's still there.
It's still alone though. I honestly think I'm gonna get drive-by shooting.
No, just go out. I'm right behind you. It's okay.
Listen, sirens.
Wait, did you see that? The blue car.
They didn't actually leave. More people.
Yeah.
What is that? Come look, come look. I know, but it looks like a bomb diagram.
It is not. You're insane.
No, this house is insane.
See if they wrote anything.
What happened?
There's some guys out there.
Oh, come on.
Fixing their car.
No. No, this is a joke. You're laughing.
Double to good car again.
What does it say? Leave me alone. I need to exit out of this Word document. It won't let me. It's not. It's frozen. Look. Oh my gosh. It's frozen. Okay, I'm done. I don't know what's happening. Okay, it's frozen. They froze it. You guys,
They're angry.
My computer.